Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix split screen on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this problem? So first of all, I will request to my all friends, all brothers, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video, so do not waste any time. So fix this problem. So how can fix this issue? You have check on iPhone this option is available or not available on your iPhone. So how to check the in my iPhone, so this option is available or not available? So you have open the setting and then you have search bar, then search bar, then you have search this option functions split screen, then you have split screen search is not seen on your iPhone, then you have understood, then your iPhone is not available this function. So how can fix this problem? So you have open the app store and then give from app store this app. So you have search bar split screen and then second numbers app, then split screen dial window, then you have get on your iPhone. Then some steps allow from your iPhone this application. Then you have a review on this app, then you have a split screen for several tasks, then watch video while browsing social network, then do webcast the same time. So you have up and down, then you have same webcasts, then you have watch on your iPhone, then split screen, then working on your iPhone. So some steps, then you have use on your iPhone landscape mode, portrait mode, then a split screen two sides, then you have seen on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Khuda Hafiz.